Hi guys, it's Marianne with Little Country Kitchen, and we're gonna make peach mango salsa, the Copycat from Costco, because I love it. It's our favorite salsa. Here is the recipe, so you can take a screenshot if you want to real quick, and I will also put it in the thingamajig below, so you can go to the direct website. Recipe calls for 10 pounds of tomatoes. Let's start chopping the onions, getting them ready to dice in my onion chopper dicer tool, because I love it. It's my favorite. For one recipe, only 3 onions are needed. I'd never be able to get this fine of a dice by hand so quickly. So, sorry that these fruits are too big, so let's see if this guy will work. Yes, it does! I added 1 bag of Costco fruit, which had peach, mangoes, and pineapple. I added 3 more fresh mangoes because I thought the bag didn't have enough. Recipe calls for 3 red bell peppers. Next time I will take out the pineapple, it made it a little too sweet. Look at this beautiful pot of goodness! And wow, this is a lot. 2 cups. This is a liquid measuring cup from Pampered Chef. Okay. 2 cups of vinegar. As you can see, I doubled the recipe, so follow the recipe in the link in the thingamajig below. A tablespoon of chili habanero sauce. I don't have that, so I'm just going to use what I have. This Texas Pete. Tablespoon of dried cilantro. 2 cups of sugar. Okay. 2 tablespoons of salt. 7 cloves of garlic. Tomato sauce. I only have these 8-ounce cans that I already have, so I'm just going to add 2 of them per recipe. And then a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Now the fun part, mixing up this bad boy. Oh, that's already hot. Just cook it and bring it to a boil and simmer for 30 minutes. There's liquid all the way halfway up already, so that's a good sign. So now we just need time. Wait for this to boil and simmer. Okay, we'll be back. Adding black pepper because it gives it a little more depth of flavor. Getting the jars ready, so I'm going to put them in here to warm them up. Water canning, play, 25 minutes, play, insert jars. Now they can warm up. Water bath canning, high acid foods. I'm at 6,000 feet altitude, so you can adjust the time for you. So I'm going to be doing salsa in pint jars, so 25 minutes. Help of muscles to stir because I'm too wimpy. Oh, it's looking good. Was it boiling? Yes. Okay, so now I just need to set a timer. Just to let it simmer. I'm going to turn this all the way down to low. We'll be back. Okay, it's half an hour later, and it's very much more broken down. I wish I would have roasted the onions and the tomatoes to give them a more depth of flavor. That would have been awesome. And then you fill your jars, of course. This is my favorite part. Debubble, because it's good practice. Get some vinegar. Clean off the rims of the jars. Adding the lids and bands. Go to 4jars.com and use code LITTLE10. Add this, lock, push play. And now we wait 25 minutes. The canner is done. It beeped and it had 5 minutes for cooling. Oh, I forgot to put in vinegar in here because of the hard water. Which means I'll have to clean up the jars after they cool. Good amount of fruit, peaches and mangoes in there. Okay, first batch done. Now, we're gonna do the second batch. This is the third batch, and with this one I added some Scotch bonnet, about a 1/4 teaspoon of Scotch bonnet pepper or hot pepper flakes for my husband because he likes things hot. I have one more little batch of 3.5 and we're done. So I got 21 quarts, excuse me, 21 pints of salsa. And then a little half pint guy. So, thank you for joining me. Please give me a little boop boop be doop with the little like button. It helps YouTube know that you like my awesomeness in the videos and that I can make more like it. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye guys. This ended up taking an hour to put everything together, and then I just had to wait for the 3 different, well technically 4 batches to load, so that was like 2 hours for all the batches total. Thank you. Toodles.